Took some pictures of the bunny walking through this little like hallway type of thing. Look at that. Got my Wawa. Man, just look at this. Right out there. Look at that. That's something that I can't record and make it look as beautiful as I see it. That's crazy. But I'm out here eating my macaroni and mashed potato bowl with barbacoa. I'm gonna stay out here until it hits sunset because I want to take some sunset pictures here. I'm not too far off from my car, so it'll be fine. Crazy. I've been walking for about an hour and I've come to this place and it's amazing. I love it. Great place to be at. Great place to end the day actually. I worked out today, did some stuff for streaming, got some food, ate the food. I mean, you guys saw me eating, but it's a great place to walk, end the day, take some photos and video, but yeah. It's great.